This is my solution to Paul's lesson number 21, Raspberry Pi lesson number 1, to using an ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. This is the version adapted for the Pico. I am being assisted today by my dinosaur pen holder, who will be taking care of the distances. Right, so here we go. I have previously put him on that ought to be, I've measured it out before, that ought to be 2.4 inches. So here we go. Oh, here's the code. It's vaguely similar to for the Raspberry Pi itself, using GPIO, and all you have down here is KeyboardInterrupt, so that's all that you're interested in. Right, we'll run it and see what happens. Right, it must be just about in between 2.3 and 2.4, but that's as expected. Right, now we will move him again and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. That ought to be about 4 inches. Have I got it right? No, it needs to be a little bit in there. I think that's about that's about 4 inches. Now what's it saying? 4.1. Right, well, it's difficult because my board is in centimeters, but there you have it. It seems to be working fine. I will Control C out of there, and now we'll go on to the next program, which is measuring the speed of sound with the Pico, and I will just move that slightly. So I think that is about 4 inches away. So we here's the code. It's slightly different from when you use the Pi, because it has values and things like that, and ping. Anyway, hopefully it will work. So we will run the program. Right, position dinosaur and enter distance in inches. I think that's 4. Right, so that is pretty good. It's saying the speed of sound is 757 odd miles per hour, and the actual speed of sound is 767. Right, we will reposition my trusty assistant. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think that will be about right. We'll see what you get when it's 2.4 away. And it's now saying the speed of sound is 785 miles per hour, while it ought to be 767. Well, I think that's pretty jolly good. Control C out, and there we have it.